अहानबदा मरोइबा पाउ थमजरी रिपब्लिक डेगी थौरम kanglei yelhoumee meeyamna sharuk yabibagi mahutta lambi lamjaoda thoktuna bill yaningdaba khongjang oina changshinbiyu haina UCM gi president sunil karam na meeyamda apil tourakli. Mapan suba national voters day gi thauram pangthokhre voter singna akiba yaodana esagi hak sijinaduna vote thadasi haina chief secretary Dr.J.Suresh Babu IAS na phongdokhre. Amadi Chief Minister na Minister amasung MLA sing kauduna pangthokhiba mifamna bill gi matangda warek mari lokre. Kurumjari Times of Manipur News yengbiru punampu kumantem gentle na taram lokjari hojik miyam da pauk shandong na pijari. Hayeng pangthokkodoriba Republic Day gi thoram kanglei yelhoumee meeyamna saruk yabibagi mahutta lambi lamjaoda thoktuna bill asibu yaningdaba khongjang oina changshinbiyu haina civil society organization singna meeyamda apil toukhre. Ngasi lamphel leiba United Committee Manipur UCM gi office da pangthokhiba paumi singa unaba amada UCM gi president Sunil karamna Bharat ki awang nongpok state singda leiriba yelhoumee singna pamdaba bill amabu Bharat laingakna namduna chanahanaba honarapa asi yaningde. Awang nongpok lamdamda ingna tapna hingjariba yelhoumee singi marakta mitop miyan cha kaya thajilaktuna yelhoumee bu muthatnaba honariba thoksilasi gi mayokta kanglei yelhoumee amadi awang nongpok ki yelhoumee meeyamna punna lepminasi. Bill asi yaningde haiba utpoina hayeng pangthokkodoriba Republic Day gi thoram asi yelhoumee sing puna boycott tongminasi numit asida meeyamna khongjang changshinbaga loinana bill lisingani tarataruk khudakta lokthokodabani Republic Day gi thoram aikhoina yaningde haiba kholaw lawminasi haike.
Sem sari haibsini aduna lekai da library mayam singsina tangai padna aikoi hayengi Republic Day si boycott to matamda slogan ani katang aikoi mapungoina thamjaningi maramdi ahamada withdraw citizen amendment bill 2016 haibama ani shobada we condemn India's Republic Day celebration in Manipur and Northeast haiba ani sigi slogan ga loinana aikoi hayeng si lambi the tholoktra lekai da ngamjabda protest of view haiba wafam sima
paumi singa unabadu da saruk yakiba amukogi president PS Devan Sharmana Manipur kanaba bill takna ringai cherak asida yelhoumee muthatna ba honarpa bill asigi mayokta aikoi khudimakna lepmina si haike paumi sing unabadu da Hericon CCSK amadi lipungi kangbu singsu saruk yake
ninghanna dana aikoi amaga sidaisida chummi lali phai phatiana nainabagi matam natre alo miyam pumna magna amatoina lepminasi Manipur kannanaba Manipur gi tungi future kannanaba Manipur miyam kannanaba Manipur kannanaba gi damakta aikoi hairiba bill se masidi Manipur chanaba yaro habje aikoi pumna maki ithodang oiminasi habji ai thamjari
Mahiroi lup taruk MSU MSF desam KSA suk amadi EMS nasu leingak na sinduna hayeng pangthokkodoriba Republic Day gi thoram asi boycott tawre maram aduna lamdam asida leiriba mahiloisang khudimakta tamliba mahiroisingna thoram asibu saruk yabiganu haina ngasi EMS ki office ta pangthokhiba paumi singa unaba amada EMSU gi president Manjit Charang themna haikre magna haike Manipur leingakna bill chana handanaba phirep laudriba fawba khongjang hanba leitana sangshin khigani haike paumi singa unaba duda mahiroi lup singi lusingba singsu saruk yakhe
government ki Education Institute khudingmak koi saruk yabidana madu ka hana koi chatchiba koi phum lek chagiba phum jing leiraga su koi lamdam ase puru base mutchiba madi hingba madi siwani gi asum laba wahang maka koi riba koi gi lamdam sigi yellow jing kana bi nong ta koi khudingmak koi isagi yellow fruit sing sung ngakcha nami thodang nomina se ba phum tham jani gi dolena mapung bhaba koi gi yellow fruit sing sung ngakcha sinjama ngamba dugumba bill ma lamdam se leiti fawa ragana koi sise me bill si handok tu fawa koi mukha kya ge khongjang sing lamdam si tongan ba
Amaromda citizenship amendment bill pass tawkhibabu yaningdaba phongdoktuna All Manipur Bar Association amadi High Court Bar Association na sinduna ngasi Serak Court Complex ta silent sit in protest ama sathakre ayuk pung 10 makhai adwaidagi hogduna court complex asida sathakhiba wakan mifam aduda association gi thaugai puba advocate sing amadi association gi member kayana saruk yakhe bill lamdam asida sana hanba yaroi haibige dabi tawduna JCILPS ki minyang makhada Imphal Ukhru lambi paringi Gwaltavi Yangang Pokpi Sabungkhok Saijang amadi Longlei pungda maikai adom gi maira paibi singnasu wakan mifam sathaki JCILPS की कन्वीनर युमनामचा दिलीप कुमार नहाई Lok Sabha da pass taukraba bill amabu state ki chief minister na chatnaroi hairaga yagadaba nate CAB asi soidanamaki Rajya Sabha da pass taurani haibasi soidraba wafamni maraksida sarkar ge special session ama kaunabage miyam ge apamba nathairaga Manipur ge chief minister na governor da assembly mifam phamba yadanaba thingjinaba taknakiba asi laibak thibani adubu CAB chatna danaba aikoi khudimak lingjel manana changshinbiyu haina phongdokhe
Samda akan liyo horukre no this is student organization nesona akan liyo horukre di Manipur su mahiroi sing kan hore jesi IPS ki mai de so ko kholau ke apire civil stada han ki sahi ani ohum di marman di high birth citizenship amendment bill 2016 na sesana ba yaro ya hadina ko kan civil stada high na la ko ne
Manipur gi yelhoumee singbu ngak senaba Manipur people bill buna president ge table da taduna leiraga north east ge yelhoumee singbu yosinaba CAB chan halaknaba honaba haibasi achobuna masabu tathina tawbugi mong ne haina JCILPS ke co convener YK Dhirena phongdokhe
Citizenship Amendment Bill se haukiba hojik puthokni basina India gi constitution da India gi sana pathap ki matungina aikoi citizenship haibadi magi nagrik amoina praja amoina magi miyoi amoina aikoi Manipur da leiba Manipuri masama oiba Manipur gi lengak na sakhangba sumai tawduna India Manipur si India gi sarok amoibanina India da leiriba mipum khudingmak sida India gi citizen oiba yaba misi karam babu India gi citizen oiba yagadage haibasi aikoi Indian constitution gi matungina hapaga thami
Lok Sabha da pass taukiba citizenship amendment bill isingni taratruk handokadabani the Manipur people bill isingni taranipan India gi president ayaba pigadabani CAV North East India da chatnaba yaroi India gi kanglup naiba thoksil yaningda haibana chingba banner singsu sijinakhe Thobal district ke manung chanba irong sesaba maning pali bazar da su CAV bill gi mayokta YDC irong na sinduna maikaidom gi miyam na wakan mifam sathake wakan mifam aduda saruk yakiba YDC gi advisor MD Azizur Rahmana Maribak maram damdage famna hena lumna loba MLA sing fam thadokpa matam oire haike
bill asi Rajya Sabha da pass tawdanaba khoi gi Manipur gi paliba BJP leingak na hariba bill asi gi mayokta yamna thuba adugumba akhanaba khoi gi session nama kauraga assembly session nama kauraga asugumlaba bill asi kaigumba chanaba yaroi haina kaigumba lauthoktaba madugi mayokta leptaba taragadi tongan ba civil society organizations sing kaya ga loinana YDC na tongan bakal gi khongjang kaya changsalakani
Lok Sabha da CAB bill pass taukraba tungda Manipur da ngasi oirakliba phibam asigi matangda Chief Minister N Virena mayai tangba longduna minister amadi MLA singa Chief Minister ge secretariat laiba cabinet holder kumna khanarba matungda mifam maduna punna warep mari lokre CAB bill pass taurok patarabasu bill asida provision ama hapsinduna state government ki ayaba yaudana state asida changlakpa miyoi amatada Bharat ki citizen on bada ayaba pidanaba amadi Assam da National Register of Citizen NRC implement taubagum Manipur da su NRC implement taunaba center da taksin baloinana Manipur People's Bill da president na ayaba pinaba taksin bahaibasina mifam asigi maruiba warep sing oiraga mari suba warep ta state government ki officials singna CAB bill da kari yauribage haibadu meeyamda mamutana khanganaba awareness program sing pangthokhre haiba warep lauke mifam aduda Ministry of Home Affairs ki maikaidege state government ki recommendation yaudana lamdam asida changlakpa miyoi amatada Indian citizenship piroi haibigi thajaba pirakpigi damakta su thagatpa phongdokhe hojik paugi marakthana tenba brei matang logjari
Lamdam asigi launi singmi ahangba lamsingda thabi hauro Mahindra company amadi Holland country gi Heiss ZPC company ga punna tissue culture tawraga puthokchaba asengba alu char iramdam asigi leibak le hawa yamna chunaraba alu angangba Lady Rosetta amadi alu angogba karfi jyoti makhal animak pambiragani supnatagi alu piece amana alu kg ama hena puthokpa ngamba alu makhalni iramdam asibu sabu ongnaba alu puthoknasi asengba alu char tharsi asi saranaba alu undok khakna maton thoklaga semba alu chara tharagum si haiba kholao amaga loinena sahi ahum sugna chatharakpa mission amagi makhada pujarakpa alu chara singni mipal tangdana iramdam asida alu gi awapa lehelagum si lengsing birau ngasimak Mahindra tractor showroom malom bazar lingtoy house kaksing bazar adongi ahangam hum singda alu thabiduna iramdam asida alu gi awapa lehelagum si
nang na tamibi school IPS have to yam chiksi lifai haina kam do gine.
My school is a quality based English school. It has very competent teachers. They are highly qualified. The principal of my school is a strict disciplinarian. He teaches a student in higher classes.
Hey ma isa di IPS ki boarding the leru the English ki command so phajana le re lyrics you am hai re personality talent so phajana le re na.
To speak English is compulsory at our school and boarding. I have the habit of speaking English all the time.
Adom gi angang singbo Kanchipu da leba IPS haiba Impal Public Higher Secondary School the Ming Chanbiyu loinan
IPS, the Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal, near Manipur University First Gate. Admission opens from pre-nursery to class 9, both school and boarding. IPS, top choice for your child's career.
Mahindra Tractor Showroom. Mahindra Tractor Showroom na monsoon season lakada monsoon offer pijiri. India da Saba Annapurna domestic mini rice mill amadi grinder. Akak naba matam kharagi oina company na offer price ta meeyamda phanganjari. Ho sangbay matakpada electric prepaid ta sutnata ki lupa ni makhai mai chai besan morok yangang marumarang hawai makhal sul takpa yaraba grinder su phangbiragani. Rice mill da phau pudra seng takpagi awaba leitraba yumgi sangoi kasin amada hillaga isana phau takchaba yaraba cheng wai manghandraba cheng khainadraba Annapurna domestic rice mill ni akupa marol gidamak lingsin birau Mahindra Tractor Showroom Malom Bazar pijariba offer price ki khudong saba simyamna lawi ho akak naba matam khara khaktan
break ke matung da miyam butaram lokcha bogolina na makhataba Manipuri pau pijari Voter singna akiba yaodana esagi hak sijinaduna bot thadasi haina Chief Secretary Dr.J.Suresh Babu IS na ngasi City Convention da pangthokpa mapan suba National Voters Day gi thoram da phongthokhre hiram asida report ama phongbigani
Voter singna akiba yaodana esagi hak sijinaduna bot thadasi haina Chief Secretary Dr.J.Suresh Babu IS na phongthokhre wafam asing asi City Convention da pangthokpa mapan suba National Voters Day gi thoram da phongdokhibani Chief Electoral Officer Manipur na Sinduna pangthokpa thauram aduda DGP LM Khote CRPF Manipur Nagaland Sector gi IGP Rajesh Kumar IGR South ki Major General KP Singh YSM na thaurumapu oina saruk yakhi No voter to be left behind haiba thimda pangthokpa thauram aduda SBIP campaign amasu lamthaki Chief guest oikiba Chief Secretary Dr.J.Suresh Babu IS na democracy setpa leibak amada voter haibasi yamna maru oi miyam gi mihut khanbada amadi niyam chumna mikhal pangthokpada electoral roll da mingchan ba haibasi yamna tangai fade atopa state singa yengnabada state asina vote thadabagi chang adum wangi mikhalda ingna chikna niyam chungna pangthokpa haibasi yamna tangai fade isagi hak mafam chana sijinagadabani manung hanjinba mafamda niyam chumna mikhal pangthoknaba honabada awaba kayasu nangdaba natte haiki
And I'm not saying that people are taking from one party. Most of the voters take from different parties also, different candidates also. And they will vote for the candidate of their choice. Okay, you have exercised your vote in a very democratic way. You have collected money from 3-4 candidates but voted to one candidate. But ultimately what is going to happen? You lost your moral authority to question that candidate, whoever has won. Now it has become, we are responsible for turning the entire democratic process into a 5-year, one-day event.
Praja Singna democracy gi hak adu ningthina sijinabiyu voter information helpline kaya hangdoktuna thamle mafom 13 da contact center sing hangdoktuna thamle haiki
As you must have seen, people have gone to vote. Earlier we used to have non-standardized voting compartment, sometimes with a cardboard. Last election we used hardboard. This time it will be a standard voting compartment used across the country, prescribed by the ECI. It's a plastic, it's a corrugated plastic sheet with the ECI logo, parliamentary constituency name, assembly constituency name, polling station number, date of poll, and the details. Right in front there will be a camera focused on that voting compartment, and in more than 50% of cases the data will be live streamed, web streamed to the control room in Imphal and to the various DC offices.
thouram adugi saruk ama oina chief secretary na luchingduna national voters day ga mari leinana voters sing wasak minaba chief election commission sunil arora gi paujel miyam da tahanba voters awareness ka mari leinaba video miyam da yenghanba anauba voter ming salakpa singda epic card yenthokpa SB star icon sing ikai khumnaba utpana mapung oiba thauram oiki
best booth level officers standing here on the dais.
Manipur lenga ki maru oiba loisang ama oiriba DIPR na January thaloigadara fawbuda sahi asigi oiba diary puthokpa ngamdana leire hiram asida report ama
Manipur Sarkar ki khwaidi maru oiba e pawgi loisang ama oiriba Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR asi ngasigi lengakna maming tagi oina thambuga sap manare loisang asina sahi khudingi January ama nangnaba calendar amadi diary puthoktu na miyamda phangalamba adu sahi asigi oinadi diary phangan mangamdre wall calendar di sahi asigi January gi ahan ba sayol da puthokrabasu hawjik phawda sahi asigi oiba DIPR na puthokpa diary puthokpa ngamdana leiri masibak loisang asi upairiba minister amasung loisang asigi makhada leiriba thabak toriba official singi asroibani hiram asigi matangda Tom TV da praja session kya na phangdorpa wafam gi matung inadi diary amadi calendar asi sahi asigi January ama nangnaba puthokadabani diary haibasi leiteng gi oina paidaba nate diary gi lamai khudingda normal thokliba thogok wathok sing maru oina e paw sing yauriba diary sing adu isenduna record oina thamgadaba adugumlaba miwabi punsida achoba sangdaba yadaba poshak amani asigumba miwabi punsiga tana thanaba yadaba poshak ama oiriba diary asi Department puthokpa ngamdaba haibasi achoba wahang ama oiri Director of Information and Public Relations DIPR na matam sana diary puthokpa ngamdaba si kari maram gidamakno haibasu praja section kya dagi hangnarali amaromda Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR na puthokliba diary asida mangjongna mamangi diary kayada Manipur lengaki loisang singda leiriba official singna pairiba phamsing makhoi contact number ngasigi lengak asida lengak session tawriba chief minister MLA amadi council of ministers singi oiba telephone number sing hapada natana lamdam asigi tongan hospital sing private sector sing amasung ranai bus service tawriba kaya amagi telephone number sing hapana ngasigi miyamna pamnaba diary ama oiduna lakli ngasi Director of Information and Public Relations DIPR na sahi asigi January thalo singra fawada department asina diary puthokpa ngamdaba asina ngasigi praja section kya da pendaba kaya ama fawnari hiram asigi matangda DIPR upairiba minister amasung lengak mapuna miyeng sangba chummi hainasu praja section kya dagi phongdok narakli atopa praja section kya na phongdok narakli ba fam kaya amana Director of Information and Public Relations DIPR na puthokliba diary amasung calendar asina Manipur gi wang matantana tongan balibak singda lamdam asigi oiba sak takpa honabada achobo thodang lawriba posak amani adubu asigumba diary asi matam sana puthokpa ngamdriba si kari maram gi damaktano diary asi puthoknaba honaba matamda department gi maikei dagi matik sana tender tawkhibra kari gi damak tender tawkhiba farm aduna matam sana puthokpa ngamdribano haiba wahang kaya amasu hangnaltaba natri amabu ore Director of Information and Public Relations DIPR gi achobo thodang lawriba official singna Satkiba sahi asigi January tha fawada calendar puthokpa ngamkhidrabasu lakadari mathangi sahida January thada mapung phana calendar amasung diary puthoktuna miyamda khudol tambiu haiba wafam kaya amasu praja section kaya dagi phongdok nakli
Srimanta Sankardeva Kalakshetra Guwahati da Jyoti Chitrabanda sinduna pangthokiba ahanba Guwahati International Documentary Short and Animation Film Festival lisingni taramapal loishin kre numit humni sumna satharakiba Short Film Festival asida short film samaga manga amadi documentary film kun manga utki tongan ba leibak singna saru yakiba festival aduda Barun Thoksom amadi RK Imona direction piba short film Napal na Golden Rhino for Best Short Film ge award fangkhre award asida memento trophy amadi seloina lupa lak ama yauri festival adu loishinbagi tharomda Gurumayum Ranita na puthokpa Bobo Khurai jamna direction piba Manipuri film Ima Savitri utki
Assamese film, and it won the National Award for Best Assamese Film this year. It was produced by Children Film Society India. Of course, there is a Manipur connection in the film because one of the major roles is played by Tonthoi Devi, who is a very popular and very good actress from Manipur. So I had the pleasure of working with her, and she is a fantastic artist, as we all know. And everybody has appreciated her performance wherever the film has been screened. And here in Documentary Film Festival, another film of mine has been shown. It's called Memories of a Forgotten War. This basically chronicles the memories of the battles that had happened in Manipur and Nagaland during Second World War. So I had done a lot of shooting in Manipur also for this film, and in Nagaland, also in Mizoram, in UK and Japan, where I met a lot of veterans who had fought in Manipur as well as in Nagaland. So, of course, that way both my films in the two festivals have had Manipur connection some way or the other.
And this is a great initiative by Jyoti Chitraban Film Institute and the Assam government. And in comparison to what the state government is doing in Manipur, this is quite shameless because they have been holding festivals in a series starting from the Guwahati International Film Festival to Children Film Festival to this short and documentary film festival.
Singna hajo haragati agi mangne sigumba gi level la koi festival akoi Manipur su yamna dakar oi. In fact we are lagging behind adui matang da koi se yamna khar sotharaga leiri filmmakers sing puthoge hai boidi maruina documentary si amna koi gi sumna namnari ba koi gi fiction stories na tabis da documentary sina khara educational oi ba aduga makoi da thoi ba social realities mayam si pazina mami tahan maduga maduda yori ba stories mayam se masi puthokna miyam da liba yehon bai si documentary nam chaw thodang lorin.
First Guwahati International Documentary Short and Animation Film Festival, which is happening from 22nd January till 24th, and I'm also very happy that my film Auto Driver is part of this film festival. But what's concerning is like for the past many years in Manipur, we are not able to hold any kind of festival of national or international repute as of now, and also Manipur had been finding difficulties and problem in erecting this this first Manipur State Film and Television Institute for the past 3 years.
In the United States, it's a long developed, sophisticated history that's been around for a long time, and it's a very advanced media culture. And there's a lot of documentary schools. There are a lot of people interested. Millions and millions of people watch documentaries. As I was saying in this a little bit before, 60% of the filmmakers that I know are women, to make one distinction. And documentary is a way to tell your story if you have a story that's not yet been told.
Ngasi laingangna chingmirong gi lai ingkol da paikhatliwa civil secretariat mathang thada natraga March tha fawmugi manungda loisinabagi pandamda sinmi chani romna ahing nungthil naidana thabak suri hiramsida report ama phangbigani.
Chingmairong lai ingkol da paikhatliwa civil secretariat mathang thada natraga thenglabada March thada di loisinba ngamlagani. Public Works Department ki Chief Engineer Building dagi phangba paugi matung inna Civil Secretariat sabagi thabak State Empower Committee na yengsillaga thabak sure chaurakna manpower chani romna mathang tha natragana thenglabada March thada loisinabagi pandamda yamna kanna thabak suri. Chief Minister gi akanba mityeng makhada Civil Secretariat sabagi thabak mathang thada loisinaba yamna kanna honari ayamba sarukti hanadagi loisilaga lairabani hauzik wali basi finishing gi item da flooring tauba ACP granite amadi electrical saruk wali hairibe sing asi mathang tha fawgi manungda loisinaba yamna kanna honari mathang tha natraga March tha fawbada loisinduna all secretariat asi anoba civil secretariat ta honglakpa ngamlagadi general post office mapadagi moirangkhom fawbada traffic congestion lairibasi kharadi hanthahalagani haiba wafam chief engineer building dagi phongba pau asina makha tana phongdorakli.
District Hospital singda practice tawduna leiriva doctor amade nursing gi oiva ICCU skill ECG training program ama ngasi Rims Road ta leiva Sky Hospital da hogdokre. Ngasi gi hogdokpugi thoramga mari lenana nurse ki kangbu amada ngasi training piba hokhe. Thoram mapugi warol pireduna Sky Hospital gi chairman amade chief cardiologist L Shyam Kishorna hojiki matamda karamba chinjak sagani amade saroi habisi kya thinade haksang phana laigi hairabadi mana masing sabana hena kanagani haike.
The outcome of any treatment, let's talk about cardiovascular diseases. Say, let's take an example, is a heart attack, acute myocardial infarction. It does not only depend on the machines. It doesn't depend only on infrastructures. The outcome of any treatment depends on the man and the machine. The machine is there, but it cannot be operated properly and timely. And if the main is well qualified and trained, if the infrastructures and the equipments are not properly functioning, you might have heard recently that the casualty happens in some hospitals where defibrillator didn't work.
Training program hogdokpagi thormaduda Health and Family Welfare ge Principal Secretary V Bunun Mang athoina mithunglen amadi Planning and Finance ke Additional Director Dr. S Manikantana thoram aduga mari leinana wangang khibasingna asigumba training program ama tawrakpa haibasi miyam ge laibak fabani tungdasu tongan bahiram singda asigumba training sing asi makha tana pangthokpiyo haike.
Areas also same thing I tell to my people in the hill areas also. Earlier people were farmers, people were going in fact village to village was also all walking. Now it is all gone. Progress has made everything in the wrong direction for us. So which brings in a very brief way I want to mention that this cardiac care, our lipid profile, all these things are now becoming real health challenges for our state, and it is indeed timely that this training program has been launched. The healthcare need is indeed upon us. So I wish again both Sky Hospital and the trainees and all of you a grand success.
Manipur Photography Club ke nipan suba mapok kumon thoram ngarang nungthil thangmaiban pukri achobada pangthokhre hiram asida report ama.
Tilpung ama tabada thangmaiban pukri achobada Manipur Photography Club ke nipan suba Foundation Day pangthokhre. Thoram aduda club asigi President Hizam Devendra, General Secretary Radhakanta Sharma, Vice President KSS Bishambor amadi RK Chandrajit namaru eba mithunglen oikhi. January kunmari English singani tara mathoida club asi haudoki bani amadi ngasi fawbada photography ga mari leinaba thabak thoram kaya da thodang kaya yaduna lakli. Manipur gi oiba photography ga mari leinaba thabak thoram singda Manipur Photography Club ki ming yaudaba yaudre haina General Secretary Radhakanta Sharma na phongdokhi. Vice President ki thausu puriba RK Chandrajit na phongdokhibada Manipur lenga ki tongan ba department sing na sinarakpa thabak sing mapung phana pangthok minaduna lakli. Amadi tunglam chatta asigumna punna amata oina changshinminasi. Mahakna makha taraduna Manipur lenga ki department sing na photography ga mari leinaba thabak sing asi Manipur Photography Club ta sinarabadi soiningai leitre haina thajaba pirakliba sing asi club asigi members sing na kathokpaga loinana honna minakhiba adugi mahaini amadi chauthok chaningai ni haikhe. Tungda President ki warol piraduna Devendra Hizam na hai madudi Manipur Photography Club asi online member lakh amaga lising tara hena leiraba club amani amadi malemgi photography bu ngaujaba miyoi kayana yengnaba haurabani haikhi.
Photography club club mayam sigi compare tarapada thadona noptraba adumba club amani habse aidi chauthungna dum khaini ge 1 lakh hena 1,10,000 hena member lera pa habse projecti akhoi Facebook ki sidi atu ki matik mayam na yengchanba matam ne aduna akhoi si shmaina club da mi asyam leiba se karam makal ki club na aduna prithvi pumbagi mapalam ki photography bu thawai of job mi oising na su yengchaliba adumba karam mong do work tori bagi have du si yengchaliba karam ba stage da ri quality kyam leina thawuk do ya bise moina su dum yengi bani aduna akhoi sinau sin su hena thawai am na honaraga masigi mai job tanabadu su honamne si have su thamjage.
Thoram asigi makha tarakpa saruk ama oina tongan ba hiram singda pangthokpa photography competition singi makok mathang taraba miyoi singi maming su lauthokhi amadi Foundation Day asigi cake amasu kaktuna mapung phana pangthokhi. Numidangi thoramda yaripok angtha da chatuna nightscape amadi long exposure photography hari ba hiram asida akhang ahi singi liching makha da photography camp amasu pangthoklagani.
Hayeng pangthokodoriba Republic Day thoram gi manguinana security force na section thorang gi thaba kangkhalakle. Ngasisu Imphal West amadi East ki mafam anida thibahumba gi thabak chathakre hiramsida report ama phongbigani.
Hayeng January 26 pangthokodoriba Republic Day celebration ga iroinana thoganingdaba thodok sing thoktuna ba security force na lokhalakpa section thorangi saruk ama oina ngasisu mafam khayada paksana thibahumba gi thabak sathabaga loinana singnaba miyoi kaya lokhatkre. Imphal East ki oina district asigi SP ke Megasandragi miteng makhada Porompat Police Station, Imphal East Commando Team, Women Police, Reserve Line amadi narcotics ki combined teamna Porompat Police Station gi manung chanba New Lambulen Tribal Youth TYC ground area da park sana combing operation chathakre. Ayuk pung mga makhai dagi na taret kamini nimfu fawba chathakiba operation aduda nupi chahum ga marifuni thoi nupa chatruko humdra ga humdoi punna miyoi lising amaga yangkai mga masa masagi saktak se puthokuna verification chathaki. Maduda masagi saktak se puthokpa ngamdaba miyoi humpuni pan makha tana verification chathana bagidamak Porompat Police na lakhotki. Amaromdana Imphal West ki Additional SP Operation TS Krishnatombi ki meeting makhada Imphal West Commando Bazar Unit na Maharani Thong Wahengbam Laikai Jiri Parking amadi Baigo Hotel Mapa Fawa Park sana combing operation chathekre. Ayuk pung taret ka minit tara mga dagina nipan ka minit tara mga fawa chathekiba operation aduda punna miyoi sa mga tara mga verified tawki. Maduda masagi saktak se yaw taba miyoi kunmari makhata na verification chathana bagitamag City Police ta sinaki.
Hojik pau ki maraktan aten babre matanggalong minasi.
Princeton International School admission open for pre-nursery to class 8 for academic season 2019. Selling features: Princeton International School is located in a serene and noise-free environment. Smart classrooms, a relentless focus on teaching and learning. Teachers and students strive for excellence in academic and extracurricular activities. Separate hostel for boys and girls. Remedial classes for weak students. Regularly monitoring teachers' performance by the principal and high authority for imparting quality education. Computer lab, science lab, and library. Well-maintained football ground, swimming pool, basketball court, gym, and indoor court for badminton, table tennis, etc. Self-defense classes like taekwondo and wushu, and also available classes for Arabic and Meitei Mayek. Session starts from 28 January for class 6 to 10 and 7 February for pre-nursery. Last date of admission 26 January for class 6 to 7 and 4th February for pre-nursery. Princeton International School, Ketri Awang Leikai, Imphal East. Contact number 9436586723.
Kanglei Park Modern School. Admission started for 2019 session. Free admission with 100% concession and tuition fee and 1 month free boarding for the third and following children of the same parent. Inspirational awards and prizes for meritorious students. Facilities available. Special concession for students from BPL families and fatherless children. Free medical checkup at least once a year. Separate boarding for boys and girls. Session starts from 21st January. For more information, please contact 8974-834-231.
Breaking matungda mayam bamukana taram nokshari. Royal Riders Manipurna lisangsina lamdamasigi jingnung manung sangduna manaba khunai ama oiraknaba amadi mahusagi khal kaidanaba thangjinglakliba khongthang chahi tarani thoi mapung pharakpagi mapok kumon palan thoram hokhiba tangkuni thoida Imphal East laiba Manipur Adventure and Allied Sports Institute masida pangthokhre. Thoramadu mari lenana Rider Loop asigi ingmisingani taramapan gi President oina Laisram Momo, Vice President Herojit Safam, General Secretary R.K. Bubon Sanana Chingba Myoikya ama khankre nauna President oina thawpuragadaba Laisram Momona lamdamasi malemda leiriba Rider singi tourism spot ohenabagi mityeng thamli haibu wafam kya phongdokhi.
Royal Riders Manipurna hek akoina safong akiba malemsi da safong akiba nimi tudigi koi ngasibo koi hanbalaitana Jat bijat kaidana akogi angamba pangalda hanbale jaba thawna lingje namaga loinana khoina ngasibo mayam gi seva tor lakchari lakadriba अखोगी सही अमा अनि सिगी मनुंग श्रेसरा अखोगी मोटरसाइकिल थोबा बाइकर अखोगी टूरिस्ट मैम बैकपैकर मैम अमा लै अखोई मणिपुर दा यामना लाक्सनिंगबा अर मखोइना कनेक्शन सि लैतबा अदुना अखोई रोयल राइडर्स कनेक्शन से याम लैनारे हुजिकति टूरिज्म से चाखटपगी लंबी रमदसु अखोई जिग रोयल राइडर्स से अखोई माइ ओनसनबगी प्लानिंग अमसु लै
पालन थरमगा मरी लेनेना रॉक म्यूजिकल कंसर्ट न सिंगबा कयामसु पांगथोखे
रोयल राइडर मणिपुर लमदम चिंगनुंग मानुंग मानव थाकदा पुरकनी हाइबगी पांडम अमदा चंगजल लैबा खोंथांग असिगी सरुक अमा ओइना इंग लिसिंग अनि की तरामापन लाकपदा मालेम पुंबगी ओइना टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन अमा ओइना रोयल राइडर मालेमदा लैरिबा मफमसिंग असिदगी लाखनबगी अचौवा पांडम अमा थमली हाइना नौना थौरेल ओइना थौ पुरकदोरिबा प्रेसिडेंट मोमो लाइसंगी वाफम गया फोंदोरकली कैमरामैन चिंगलैग लोइना पाउडम जरिबा बिसोरजेट मासी इम्फालिस
ngasi gelengak amadi tongan ba CSO singna mayai kavani sabu maru fangna muthatnaba khongthang kya paikhatlabasu mayai kavani sa saba amadi yonbagi sang nongma ge hengalakle anti smuggling unit custom division imfalna akhanaba pawma fangbadagi sathakiba thijin humjin bagi khongjang da ngarang miyoi ama chingmairong embassy search manaktagi malembi kaithel da lupa crore manga romgi oigadaba wy tablet ka konana fare haire faraba miyoi adu churachampur da gi lalming thanga chahi Nifunithoi apopa laikhidraba lalpiang liam kawi hari. Mamang thada lamdam asigi tongan ba mafam kyada yumda yokpa sa useksing masak khangdaba sas oigani haina jingnaba singna mabuk hogaiduna halamba amadi manungi parsing sakibagi thodok amuk nahona na tholakle. Ngasi wangkai tokpa laikai da leiba RK Singajit chahi kuntrani thoi apopa laikhidraba rojen gi yumda loiba nganu taruki manungda manga halaga thanam khebani hari. Ningsingba yabadi thodok asigi asengba langla langjin khangdoknaba mapandagi expert team fawba lamdam asida laktuna thijin khibani expert ki kangbunadi nganu yen halamba asi yumda yokpa huina oiba yai haina phongdokhiba laikhrabani malemda numit thana leiriba makai kawba lereroidaba puya mai thakibagi numit pu ningsingduna ngasi MNF na sinduna Black Day haina palan tawkhre Thangmai banda leiba Alpha BCI Memorial School da pangthokiba thoramadуда athoiba mithunglen oina saruk yakiba SCERT gi Joint Director Jim Ningthogjamna school gi syllabus ta puya mai thakibagi maramda haplagani haike ngasigi thoramadуда tongan ba school yankhai manga gi mahiroi singna saruk yakiba singna amuba batch thetuna puya mai thakibagi numit asibu amamba numit ni haiba utki Manipur Secretariat Service Association Lengak Tanduna Lakpa Dabi Sing Tabak to Ontorok Tabagi Mayokta Sangshilakpa Siswak Strike Amadi Total Shutdown Gi Khongjang Ngasiga Thana Numit Humni Sujin Kre Ngasisu Secretariat Ki Employee Singna All Secretariat Ki Campus Ta Wakat Khongjang Sangshin Ki Khongjang Aduda Saruk Yakivi Secretariat Ki Employee Saubam Saki Devina Ngasiga Lengak Na Pikiba Thajaba Sing Tabak to Ontok Triba Fauba Hanbalaitana Khongjang Sangshin Ki Gani Haiki
Mengi Tabak Secretary Employee na strike lepakpa matamda atopa department mayam su sibako sumaina taw asuk yamna manging ba tongba leiba si government na sumbagi decision sumbada akhoi gi employees singsina kari khaliba khora haba se karinda khangbidana response amda pibiraktre ji bawba aduna akhoi gi demand sing ji phangri bawbadi handakti changselani haina sumaina akhoi lepsari
Ana Sangai Express Pausigi Paumi Oiramba Koiro Thongju Part 2 dage Nepram Tombigi Loinabi Nepram Ongbi Kalpanana Hojik Masagi Anaba Amadagi Layang Duna Leriba Sida Salagi Maike dage Mating Pangkhre Ngasi Thongju Part 2 da Leiba Pongnafam Lamdam Chingtam Vocational Training Center da Pangthokiba Asamba Thoram Amada Salagi Chairman Narengbam Samarjitna Lupa Lising Kun Khusinaki Amadi Tengbang Ase Lamdam Asigi Paumi Singna Lauriba Thodangbu Ikai Khumnaba Utpoina Salagi Corporate Social Responsibility Pandagi Pibani Haike
Hojik Manipur gi oina leibiriba journalist kangbu sing bo ekhoina ikai khumnaba utpo oina amadi mokhoine lauriba Manipur da lauriba thodang sibo ekhoina madubo ekhoina sogutchaba uma oina ekhoigi hairiba reporter oibiramba ekhoigi inau tombina nepram tombigi magi bemagi magi nabasida ekhoina mateng oina salagi maikei dagi salagi corporate social responsibility ge magi fund dagi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ 10 ꯈꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯖꯕꯅꯤ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯅ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯤ
ꯃꯆꯜꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯁꯦꯅꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ kanglei park spices industry na puthokpa machalgi atopa manaba manufacturing unit amata leijade KSI na puthokpa machalgi asengba products sing asibu khangnabagi dama packaging da KSI logo kanglei park spices industry yaubara haina check tobiu amasung packaging da ISO 9001-2008 or ISO 9001 or 2015 asi yaubara haina check tobiu lalamung makhong takhelamam lekai rims road factory thangmaiban senam lekai haina thari basin taba atopa amata machalgi asengba product natte sasinaba amasung malhanba singdagi checksinbiyu hena kupa marol khangnaba lengsinbirau machal kanglei park spices industry lalamung makhong takhelamam lekai rims road factory thangmiban sinam lekai near lamfelam park natraga logon tobiyu www.machalspices.com or facebook/machalspices natraga email tobirau info@machalspices.com
यापोते लोग चखरब नत्रो
चखरीमा
अदुइदी चा इंजांग दो लोइसनबा तौरोदना
बेसनदु बुतोत पलोरबदी इंजांगी दी थावरगा लोरबने अदुइमा दुकानदगी बेसनदुगो मचंदुगा लेबिरुरगेरा
होय होय इमा लौबिरुरगे बुंगो बेसोलमगा मसलमगा दपियो
ने kanglei park spices industry gi production lobiron iramnongi posu oire pojan ju yaudre chang soktre aduine KSI na hogi basai try panji da puthoi ba production Yangrazan, ginger powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, mithi jira powder, amadi hairibo. Loinana sa masal amadi machala powwa. Mayang manadaba packaging system so oraba. Manipur da yanan boina spices industry da ISO 9001-2008 amadi ISO 9001-2015 phangmada natana trademark su registration tawraba KSI gi product mak sijinabiu.
Sina khwai de hena pharena boni na pire inni
ima KSI gi product sidi yam phabani
break ki matung da object sanabagi pau puna min yang taminase All Manipur Filmmakers and Producers Association asinduna thasigi kundagi Porompa TV Tower manakta leiva nesugi ground sa tharakhiba mangarak suba ampimpa cup 2018 gi ngasi sanakhiba semi final gi ahanba match ta MSET FC amadi Actor FC ani apiba matam gi manungda panjal amamam chanaduna draw oibadagi penalty kaunabada MSET FC na Actor FC bu manga anida maithiba piduna final changkhre ani suba semi final match ta su Director FC amadi Amik FC A ani sanakhi Tim animakna apiba matamgi manungda panjin amata chanaba ngamdabadagi penalty kaunabada Amik FC ena Director FC bu panjil manga marida maithiba pikhi Thasigi taranipan kun fauba Hyderabad ta pangthokiba Naresurya Classic Fitness Expo 2018 Men's Classic Bodybuilding ge overall title lawrakraba Salai Body Sculpture Gym ge trainer Wangkhem Mahespu Salai na harau tayamna okre Tera lokrakom lekai da leba Salai ge hold pangthokiba thoramadu Salai ge thaupuba singna Wangkhem Mahesta lupa lising kun yauna kudol pot kya piduna pungning thogatki Kuki Students Organization KSO Technopol Block na sinduna Technopol District ke Saibom Village ta satharkiba ani suba Technopol Block Level Sports Meet 2018 ngasi loisin kre tim tara taret na saruk yakiba football masana ge ngasi sankiba final match ta Molnom Youth Club MYC na Falbung Youth Club pu Panjil Amasinoda maithiba piduna winner oiki tim tara na saruk yakiba nupi gi volleyball da Youth Sporting Club Thamna Pokpina Technopol Youth Club A bu maithiba piduna winner oiki makok mathang tarba singda manamathum su yentokhe
Once again, let us give a big applause. Thank you so much.
Hojik amuk Manipur gi mapan gi pau pijari. Assam amadi Nagaland gi ngamkhai da leiriba Learman Khulda Assam Police ke outpost ama sanaba thabak suriba singe leifamda masak khangdaba Nagaland gi kunja sing oigini chingnaba singna potchai khuchu khulai kayana chingba amangata tholambadagi ngarang Assam amadi Nagaland gi kunja sing gi marakta umkhana thokre Learman Senso Mundeng LSM ge President I Mountain Gem amadi Secretary Imna Tongjukna Thadorok Pacherol amana haukiba January 18 da emergency mifam ama pangthoktuna khulladuda पुलिस आउटपोस्ट सादनबा हाइबा वारेप लौख्रबनी मदुगी मायोक्ता असम पुलिसना अहनबा पुलिस फोर्स सिजिनदुना आउटपोस्ट सानबा होनरकपदगी इरांग अदु थोखिबनी हाइरे इंडिया टुडे गे कार्वे इनसाइट्स मूड ऑफ नेशन पोल की मतुंग इना करिगुंबा राहुल गांधी ना ममता बनर्जी मायावती अमदी अखिलेश यादव का खुसमनदुना चटमिननबा हाइबा ngamlabadi हंदके लाक्लिबा लोकसभा मिखल असिदा बीजेपी बु सोइदना माइथिबा पिबा ngamgani हाइना फोंदोखरे पोल असिगी मतुंग इना कांग्रेस ना लुसिंगबा UPA ना यामना चावना माइ पाकने हाइना फोंदोकली भारत मियाम गी पोल असि लाकदुरिबा लोकसभा मिखल असिगी ममांग ओइना थोखिबनी मसिना मरम ओइदना प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी अमदी बीजेपी की लुसिंगबा अमित शाह बु वकल नुंगनांग हल्ले हाइरे मलेशिया की रॉयल फैमिली ना चाही यांखै मापन सुरबा सुल्तान अब्दुल्ला सुल्तान अहमद शाहबु ngarang leibak adugi nauna ningthau oina khankhre lakliba thasi gi kunthra mathoida mahangna ningthau gi pham adu chahi manga gi oina paigani haina leibak adugi lengak loigi mioi amana phongdokhre panbaya badi nauna ningthau oigadoriba sultan abdullah na mahake na aduna leiriba mapagi mohut chinduna haukiba chayoldagi leibak adugi thawai puba horakhibani Hojeng ngasi nungthilda phongkhiba Manipuri pause singi moriba pawmung puna khangminasi
Pandam lenga ki waref Manipur People's Bill ayawa pinaba amadi CA Bill na Manipur Council handanaba akan ba waref lawkre CA Bill ye wathok hena sawthorokli UCM amuko CCSK herikol amadi lipunna Republic Day thoram boycott tawkre Mahi sang punamakna Republic Day ki thoram yawbigano mahiroi luk taru BJP ki lengakna sind khakta thaja halaga thabak ta fel oiba lengakni Dr. Nara Manaba School ki angang singi tamna balairik fangdabadagi mahiroi sing awawa mayok nare guardian Civil Society luk tarukna Republic Day boycott CA bin gi mayok ta akan ba khongjang changshinbiyu Tekcham water supply scheme meeyamda kushin nakre Paujel Voter ama oirabadi vote thadaba haibasi tangai fadaba thodang oisi Rosita Amuko UCM Herikon Lipul CCSK na Republic Day thoram boycott tawkre Kanglei pa ki maira UCM yaung Civil Society Organization mangana Republic Day thoram boycott tawgani lauk thokre Lupa crore sa masangadaba jiribang yofam ahumda tourist skirt amadi tourist circuit sangpit kadori Sub Inspector Yankhai ni thoi Inspector the promotion pikre
Hojik aroi bada moriba pawmona fangbigani Ahan bada moriba paw thamjari Republic Day ki thoram kanglei yelhoumee meeyamna sharuk yabibagi mahut lambi lamjaoda thoktuna CA yaningdaba khongjang oina changshinbiyu haina UCM ki President Sunil karam na meeyamda apil tourakli Mapan suba National Voters Day ki thoram pangthokhre Voter singna akiba yaodana esagi hak sijinaduna bot thadasi haina Chief Secretary Dr.J.Suresh Babu IAS na phongdokhre Amadi Chief Minister na Minister amasung MLA sing kauduna pangthokhiba mifamna CA bill gi matangda warep mari lawkhre Ngasi guna di matang sida Manipuri Paulo jare Times of Manipur News yang biru punampu amukana khurumjare